What happened?
Everybody run for your life! Naturo's on a rampage!
What? Naturo? I must go now. Did you know why can Naturo be like this?
I don't know. I just walked in and made Zikr, and when I passed in front of Naturo, suddenly he went on a rampage.
Naturo must be stopped before it gets worse.
But how?
I'll try something. Sealing Jutsu, activate! Oh no, it's not working. All of you, we need to get out of here.
Wait! Mr. Yamato, I will help you. I'm a priest, and I will purify this evil.
Priest? But this is a ninja world. How did you even come here? Whatever.
I promise this will work. Come forth, purifying light. Uh-oh.
Stop it! You're just making it worse. Look, the devil fox is now stronger than before.
I'm sorry? Oh no!
Now what? Let me take care of this. Stop! Don't get too close to Naturo. Are you insane?
Let me help you with my spell, mister.
Chill. I got this. Bismillah.
الله لا إله إلا هو الحي القيوم.
It works!
Shh. I need to concentrate. Get out, O enemy of Allah. That was awesome, Mr. Sheikh. I have never seen one like that before. What jutsu is this?
Yes, and you must have very strong spiritual power to beat that devil fox.
Thank you. But this is not jutsu. It's some verses from the Qur'an. And I'm just an ordinary human. It is all because of Allah's will. This is called Ruqya, a method by using the verses of the Qur'an as a healer and exorcist. Are you okay, kid?
I'm sorry. I didn't know the devil fox would possess me.
That is shirk, and Allah hates any shirk.
I'm sorry I messed up.
Oh, it's fine. From now on, never ask for help from any jinn or shaitan, okay? Mister, can you teach me how to do that, ruqya?
Yes, I want to know too.
Sure. First thing is you asking for Allah's protection by saying, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Now, repeat after me. It's A'udhu billahi